which way to go. Here's where we spent the night last night. Pinned out. One other boat was present. Yesterday we finished coming south on the Canal de la Sarre. We decided to camp out right here at PK225, and now we are backtracking over to Gondrexange to go to l'Ami du Pain, where we have made friends with the proprietor, who has an excellent bakery and a small épicerie. The reservoir up here is super duper full, and in fact we are boating below the level of the standing water, which is kind of scary if you think about it. Walk about a block in from the canal and take a left to go to l'Ami du Pain. Jean Cline, who's an excellent baker and has a small épicerie. Can't wait to go inside. We're going past the Port Sainte Marie. First time we were here, nobody was here, but this time they're actually getting quite a few boats here. Go around, Dave. There we go. They let us have lunch here for free. We didn't have to pay for electric. They do have services, and they've developed into a cute little port. Rainy day boating. We're at Einville-au-Jard, which has a nice wide side tie marina. It's a bit foggy this morning, however, so we'll probably have to wait a little while for the fog to burn off before we leave. Just a couple minutes later. Bakery in Einville is a very popular place. The butcher, sadly, is closed, but it looks like maybe they have a truck once a week. This was a very nice butchery the first time we came through here. Einville has a proxy marché and a pharmacy, lots of other stuff, but these two things, you know, are available for tourists. If you ever wondered what's behind all the walls where you can't see anything, well, it's like peekaboo gardens. Lots of space, even though the street scene seems a little bleak. Einville has its own salt manufacturing facility. The salt is mined here.